Lucas Home Solutions is a veteran-owned and family of faith-operated business, servicing Mount Dora, Lake County, and surrounding areas. As a locally owned company, we take pride in providing top-quality cleaning for carpet, tile and grout, and upholstery, as well as pet odor removal services for both commercial and residential properties. Our commitment to providing exceptional service and great communication has earned us high ratings on Facebook, Google, and Nextdoor, as well as a membership with the Mount Dora Chamber of Commerce. Lucas Home Solutions is certified and insured, providing our customers with the highest level of quality service. We use the hot water extraction method to sanitize and provide deep cleaning, going above and beyond to ensure you receive the best results. Find out for yourself by visiting lucashomesolutions.com and requesting an appointment, or call 407-501-8909 today. We look forward to exceeding your expectations.